Okay, what is it called? Pool Point? Dang, I don't like walking on that screen. Look how far down that is.
Hey, if it can hold them two, it
Yeah.
can definitely hold up.
Well, you don't know how bad my vertigo is. Man. I tell you what, that's a long way down. Dude, I don't like it. I don't like it.
You're fine. Get on the screen.
Yeah, they jump off this bridge.
What?
Huh?
Bottom
No, I ain't coming out there.
Come on.
Look at that. People jump off of this bridge. That is crazy high, man. Crazy high. Man, that's a good 90 feet, 80 feet.
Come on, don't be a wood.
Hey, what that train comes anytime soon here? That I'm gonna start singing. I hear something. Holy cow. Look at this, boys. Are you sure that's a... Yeah, that's a car. As you can see, boys, my vertigo is not letting me go much further. This son of a gun is high, man. I mean, a long way. This is near the Break Center State Park. Hey, you saw him jump off this? Crazy. Hey, what if there's a train coming? You're all screwed. There's a big old tunnel down there, too. Man, this is crazy.